Hey, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. The P20 Pro from Huawei has made it. We put it through its paces now for review, and what can I say? It's a really impressive device. Let's start with what it looks like. The design of the Huawei P20 Pro is similar to the iPhone X, but that's both positive and negative. The glass surfaces, metal frame, and the positioning of the camera all make it look like Apple's flagship. Not original, but it definitely looks good. The new colors, bright blue and a two-tone twilight, make the P20 Pro really eye-catching. The workmanship is flawless, and Huawei has finally given it an IP68 certification, protecting it from dust and water. It has a 6.1-inch OLED display with an iPhone X notch, and if you don't like that, you can hide it. The display is sharp, the colors are bright with high contrast, and the viewing angles are very good. Even without 2K resolution and curved edges, you will be happy. Huawei's partnership with Leica enters the next round with a newly developed triple camera. Data from the 3 different sensors and 2 different focal lengths are dynamically added together by the P20 Pro, and the results are impressive. This is particularly good for shots in low light, and portraits also look great thanks to the bokeh mode, which rarely made any errors. The camera is very fast and reliable in automatic mode, which produced hardly any bad photos, and the image quality is stunning. Software plays a major role in the performance of the camera. Huawei uses the NPU in the processor to automatically recognize objects and adjust the settings accordingly. This works a treat, but it can interfere a little too much sometimes. These AI functions can however be switched off with a click. If you're into Pro mode and maybe even RAW files, you can get even more out of the camera with this. Video recording features visual and optical image stabilization, and you can see the results. The sound, however, could be louder and clearer. The super slow motion with 960 FPS is hard to time correctly, but with 240 FPS it's much more flexible. Overall, Huawei might have just beaten its competition with this camera. It comes with Android 8.1.0 Oreo and the latest MUI interface straight out of the box, and we can expect an update to AndroidPIT. If you don't like the look of the Huawei home screen, you can customize many things with skins, launchers and themes. Huawei still fails to reliably send all notifications for every app. This is quite annoying. I was hoping they would solve this problem by now. The performance of the P20 Pro is almost perfect in everyday use. The Kirin 970 does a good job here, even if it doesn't match the top processors from Qualcomm or Samsung in the benchmarks. But be careful, if you use your phone at full capacity for a long time, you will notice that the back and the frame can get really hot. We have measured almost 50 degrees Celsius, and that's a lot. Last but not least, the battery. With 4000 mAh, the P20 Pro is quite powerful. It's no wonder that the smartphone doesn't wear out before the evening, even if you use it a lot. Thanks to the quick charger, the battery can reach 100% in less than 2 hours. It's just a pity that Huawei didn't include wireless charging. This is only available in the very expensive Mate RS. So, bottom line, the P20 Pro could be the best smartphone of 2018. The design itself is not really original, but it really looks good. And feature-wise, there's a lot to love. There's nothing really negative about this smartphone. The price is still high, but it's not as high as competitors as Samsung or Apple. So at the end, this is really an impressive smartphone. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.